Hi, my name is Nikhil. I've been trying a lot of new things lately. Traveling and making films about it is one of them. I like to tell stories. This whole process feels like a movie to me. And I want it to be good, if not best. Likewise, I was looking for a camera bag that fits into my stories and character, that resembles and matches my energy. I have used a couple of good camera bags before, and those were fairly good, but I felt something still missing. I don't know. Maybe because I'm pretty selective about what I use or carry. I was looking for something which is not a lot of pain on my shoulders. I searched online and quickly found exactly what I needed. This is Vanguard VEO GO 46M. Absolute compact, lightweight, travel friendly, very sleek and modern. It can fit most of my accessories when I'm traveling. And most importantly, it's very budget friendly. And even important to me is that it doesn't look like a traditional camera bag. While I'm traveling, I of course want to create content about it, but I also want to enjoy my time doing all of that. But it becomes difficult and tiring carrying a lot of weight on the shoulders throughout the day. It's painful to carry all your stuffs knowing you might not even use it. As a travel content creator, you want to travel with less gears, but the best you have got to make the most out of it. And this is where Vanguard VEO GO camera bag comes in. Very good looking, very compact, fits in almost all the gears. Less pen on the shoulders, no extra weight of the bag, heavily built. It has got everything you're looking for, everything you're asking for.